As you begin your crochet journey, you'll be faced with several techniques, some that you learn now and others that you switch up over time. Like mastering your circle, joining your daisy squares in this darning method, or as in my other technique where I actually crochet them together. Or mastering simple patterns. These are just a few examples. Frequently I'm asked how best to keep your edges straight. Here's a project I've just completed, my Thanksgiving placemats, and I'm going to show you in this tutorial how I keep a straight line. By keeping the edges of your project straight, not only makes it look nice and neat, but it's also less complicated when joining pieces of your project together, and it can also prevent you from having to make a final border around your project. Hi, my name is Lindy and thank you for joining my channel. Welcome or welcome back. My sister is now an accomplished feral knitter and also very good at crocheting. When she was a little girl, her first project was a scarf. She started off with it 10 inches and by the time she got to the end, it was like a dress. And so I've always been very aware of how to keep it straight. So it's important to count your stitches and to make sure that you turn and do it straight. I'll show you how to keep the edges straight and to turn a row in double crochet. However, the same method will apply to single crochet. And I'm going to show you this in the tutorial today. Let me show you how to keep the edges of your crochet project straight. Here is the last stitch we go into right at the very end of the row. Now to keep it straight, we're going to do 2 chain stitches at the end of the row, and then we turn the row, yarn over to begin the next double crochet. Don't go into that stitch as it'll give you a gap. Go back into this very first stitch here, which means you're doubling up on the 2 chain stitches to keep that end nice and straight. And you can see we've done the same at this end. Continue in double crochet to the end of the row. And let's have a look at it against the darker colour. You have a nice straight edging. My name is Lindy and thank you for joining my channel. If you enjoyed this tutorial on how to keep your edges straight, please be sure to like and subscribe and you'll be notified when my next video is available. Take care and bye.